Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today's main agenda is to open up this box and see what's in here. See what cube I bought. I initially bought from Daily Puzzles. Daily Puzzles is a great shop, and look at that. Look at all those cubes. What did I buy? I bought two GEMS PYRAMIXes and a QY Speed Cube. I also bought the RS20M. I'll keep a separate video for the RS20M. This is the worm 2021. Let me just show you the worm. Funny story, what I did was, initially it was lubed with DNM, weight 5. It was really fast and my magnet settings were on the lowest, my tensioning were on the lowest. That made the cube extremely fast, but then I realized that fast isn't always good. That was in the early stages of me cubing, not realizing how much stability that I needed. But now that I know that, I've cleaned the entire cube out. As you can see here, I've cleaned the entire cube just so it doesn't look bad. So first solve, you can see how fast it is already with just Martian. So I only added Martian after cleaning this out. I spent like around 6 to 8 hours just cleaning, because you take the piece, you clean each thing out. I didn't want to add water, so that even made the process longer. But as you can see, just adding Martian, no other lubes, makes this cube extremely fast and extremely stable. A couple of my friends have GANs, and I would personally 100% say that the worm, if you set it up correctly, is far better than the GAN, and the GAN is just a ripoff. That is my say. Just because I said under the notes that Tingman sent me, they actually sent me a free cube. That is super cool. I do not know what this cube is, but some kind of twisty puzzle. It's quite fast compared to my mirror cube, which is there. This outside is lubricated, so that's so great. Free cube. Thank you, Daily Puzzles. Thank you, Ting Man. Forever, I will be indebted to you. I will definitely continue shopping with you guys forever. Not gonna switch. They also gave me 10% off, so thanks. So 2 GEMSs. Let's just open it up. Ooh. I'm opening up this with you guys. Wow. Wonderful unboxing experience. Moment of truth. Great. It's out. That's the box. First turns. Whoa. Dude. You're not gonna believe it. How fast. Look at that. Look at how fast that is. Let me solve this cube in front of you guys, right? I know how to solve the PYRAMIX, so it's this very dumb method, but it actually works. So what you do is you want to solve the 3 centers, right? So let's go solve the 3 centers. You guys see it? Yeah. After solving the 3 centers, we want to finish up the first layer. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, all you have to do is you have to do one more side, and then your cube's solved. See? That is it. You do 2 sides, and your cube is solved. How fun is that? So that's a great thing if you want to use. That was PYRAMIX. So guys, that was it for this video. I just wanted to show you the cubes, unbox it, and overall just show you how it works. But if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and use code Sukesh Education at checkout for 35% off. For a limited time only, if you use Sukesh Education as the best cuber in the whole world and will get a sub 10 in his WCA comp, I will throw in 10 extra free puzzles for you guys. So ensure you do that, and with that, I'll be gone.